There, F9. Click the F9. There. Click it. Okay, now do it.
It's 34 plus 21. So 4 plus 1 is 5. And 3 plus 2 is 5.
So it is.
So is it 55?
Good job. Okay, can you give me the mouse?
What?
Mouse.
This mouse?
Yes, give
or
me the
the
mouse.
other mouse?
That mouse.
The one I'm holding?
Okay, click the F9.
What?
F9. So you can have another one.
This button
Yeah.
that
Come
I'm
on.
holding?
Hold, come on, go, do it. Right, fast. Okay, next.
26 plus 22. So 6 plus 2 is 8. And 2 plus 2 is 4. So is it 48?
Good job. Alright.
Correct?
Good job. Yes, right. Now we're going to change these numbers. Wait.
Okay, look. Okay, so there's some random numbers.
Yes. Make it more interesting. Oh shit.
What?
Alright. Okay, how about this one?
It's 21 plus 16. So 1 plus 6 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. So is it 37?
Great. You're so smart. Next. What's that? Read the numbers you're adding.
14 plus 25. So 4 plus 5 is 9. 1 plus 2 is 3. So is it 39?
Yes, 39. Great job.
Correct?
That's correct. Okay, that is hard.
Good
Okay.
job. What?
How about this one?
Is this hard?
No, this one is not hard. Okay, do it.
It's easy. 6 plus 26 plus 11. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. So is it 37?
Good job. Okay, how about this one? This one.
Is it? It's 33 plus 24. So, and 3 plus 4 is 7. And 3 plus 2 is 5. So is it?
What's that?
Is it 57?
Yes, 57. Next, this one.
That's correct.
You are a very smart boy.
What is this? It's 3 plus 1. 31 plus 25. So 1 plus 5 is 6. And 3 plus 2 is 5. So is it 56?
Good job.
I'm really smart.
Yes, you
Smarter
are so
than
smart.
other
How about this
kids.
one? You are so smarter than many
this a-
kids older than you.
Is this the easy one or hard one?
Let's see.
18 plus 11. So 8 plus 11. So 8 plus 1 is 9. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So is it 29?
Great. See how smart you are?
I'm smarter than other kids like James.
Okay, how about this one?
It's 23 plus 14. So 3 plus 4 is 7. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So is it 37?
Great. You are very smart.
Yes. Good job.
How about this?
It's 15 plus 14, so 5 plus 4 is 9. 1 plus 1 is 2, so is it 29?